Steven, you could have moved the camera. Shot now. No, record it now.
It's recording.
Oh.
Please include that. I don't think it's a time lapse either.
I know it's not.
Recording. Don't act all cutesy now that the camera's going. You're in a mood.
Chocolate.
Not for you.
Day 6. Ooh, an inline spinner.
Can you show it?
Oops.
Steven the vlogger. Cool. Can I see it?
Sharp. Careful.
This is a very pretty lure. Good morning, guys, and happy Vlogmas day 9. It is snowing so much outside. It's currently Friday, but I know it's going out on a Monday. So let's start by getting my life together this morning. I love this matching PJ set. It's from Old Navy. I just love it so much. And I'm gonna do my skincare, and then I think I'm gonna do a spin class because I usually try to do my spin classes like Fridays. I always feel really good about doing them on Friday mornings. And the house is a mess again. Perks of having pets is that their fur is everywhere, especially a dog who sheds right now. Love her. There's a lot of fur everywhere. I look, there's fur. Everywhere I step, there's fur. When I go into the shower, I have fur all over me. When I go to work, I have fur everywhere. So today's a vacuuming day, which is so interesting. So I'm gonna do that first and then do my spin class because I'll vacuum, do cat litter, do a spin class, get all sweaty, then hop in the shower and then have lunch. Hopefully I have time for all of that. But first, let's tend to the skin. Also, this earring is falling out. I accidentally slept with earrings in last night and I didn't mean to. I never do. Also, I woke up with a beautiful blemish on my face, right about here. Love that for me. So that's a sign that I need to put out some clean towels because it's been a couple of days and I sense that this towel has been used for hands as well. So I need to put out a fresh towel and I just did laundry, which is perfect. So let's do some skincare using the kale and green tea spinach vitamin superfood cleanser. I'm done my skincare. My skin feels super glassy and glowy, so I'm going to throw on a workout set so that when I'm done my chores, I feel motivated to go do a workout right after, versus if I do my chores in this, I will not feel motivated. I'll be like, oh. And even though I will, yes, still be tired after doing said chores, at least I'll be ready to go and I'll either do a cycling class or a Pilates class based on how I'm feeling, because if I'm feeling like exhausted, beyond exhausted, I can always do a cycling class another day. That's the nice thing about having a more flexible plan, but having a goal that's realistic and doing things like 2 to 3 times a week versus like every single day. Do you know what I mean? So let's go get ready. All right, I am going to put on that workout set I was talking about. I'm gonna wear this white and black sports bra and these Lululemon leggings and then probably a sweater on top because it's so chilly. I have to show you guys how much it's snowing right now. It's so pretty. This is my view from my bedroom. How pretty is that? You can't even tell that much, but it's snowing like crazy right now. All right, here's the fit to go do my chores. I'm gonna throw a sweater on because it's cold, but vacuuming is my least favorite chore, and the way to get through it is a pair of AirPods and a podcast. That is the best way to get through it, or some good music. But like I said, I'm happy that I have that schedule as my workout schedule where it's a bit more flexible and I listen to my body really well. So we'll see after vacuuming, because vacuuming is, again, my least favorite chore, and it's really tiring because we have so many stairs in our house, so many floors. So yeah, let's go vacuum. Just to show you how much our dog sheds, that is 2 days worth of shedding in the front hall. Exhibit B, that is all dog hair. My goodness, really exposing myself here. Friends, I just finished vacuuming. That takes like over an hour in our house just because there's so many weird stairs, as you guys know if you've seen more vlogs. But I just finished vacuuming. I'm going to do a spin class for 20 minutes, and I also mopped the floors, which I love. This is so like adult of me to say, but I love the Swiffer mop. the Swiffer. It's not even the wet jet. It's just quite literally the like mop that you can interchange the wet mop or the dry one that collects hair and dust. But I love it, guys. It is my favorite thing. I love that it just leaves my floors so clean. I have not found a mop that leaves my floors that clean. So yeah, that's enough geeking out about household chore items. So I'm going to do that spin class I was talking about, and then I'm going to shower because I always get really sweaty after these, and I might even do like core workout after, or at least stretch because I always feel really good after spin class. So let's go. I'm trying to make this a little bit lower, but I made it too low. Maybe that's too high. It should be about like hip level, I think. Let's see, but when I do the tap backs, I can never tap back because it's too high up. I feel like that's a happy medium. Let's see. Because my back should be flat, and before it was like this because it was too high. So I think that's better. It's by far the sweatiest cycle I've done. Literally gasping for air. Oh my gosh. Literally gasping for air. I'm also really sore in my inner thighs. That was good though. I needed that. I'm also really tight in my hips lately. I totally forgot that I have a class at 1 today. So I did a cycle class and I was like, oh, like I have plenty of time for lunch. I'll have lunch at like 12:30 after I shower and stuff. And then I was like, wait, I actually teach at 1 to 1:30. So I don't really have that much time. So right now I'm gonna cool down a little bit, then go shower all my sweat off before I teach my stretching class online. And then I also teach tonight from 3 until 6 o'clock. So for 3 hours tonight, pretty much. Okay, I needed that. I'm just gonna stretch. I'm not gonna do another workout really. I might do one later tonight with Steven, like a Pilates or a yoga class. I like doing yoga on Friday nights now. I think I'll just cool down, get a little bit less sweaty, and then go shower and get ready for the day. All right, just topped out of the shower. This is the fit for teaching my yoga / stretching class today. The pants are from Pink, Victoria's Secret, and the top, I want to say, is Forever 21. And because it's chilly for the beginning of the class, I'm going to wear my 1989 sweater on top. And I know my hair is wet, so I'm just going to blow dry it super quickly, enough that it's not going to give me a cold. But guys, I can't believe how much it's snowing right now. I keep saying that. I sound like a broken record, I know. And it's December, so I should be able to believe it. But a few weeks ago, it was sunny and like 20 degrees, and now look at it. It's already so much better walking in here and after a shower, not getting completely covered in dog hair. But I'm just gonna blow dry a little bit of my hair, not too much, just because I only have 5 minutes until my class, and I just don't want my hair to look like this. Oh my gosh. It's so snowy! I genuinely cannot believe how much snow is falling on the ground right now. That is so much. That is crazy. Number 6. Where is it? Right here. Oh, it's 2 little chocolates. Ooh. Cute. So I'm currently sitting on the guest bed and I'm editing the footage that I took today for VLOGMAS for today's vlog. And it just got me thinking that I need to really prioritize, despite the fact that the holidays are always such a rush and like there's so much going on, so many fun activities, but I really need to prioritize doing something for me. And I think we all should, because, you know, I go to work and then I vlog throughout the day. And then when I get home, I edit my vlog and then I go to bed. I wake up, I vlog, then I go to work, I edit my vlog, go to bed. Like I've been kind of in that routine, and I've been doing things like working out for me, but I need kind of like some entertainment sources for myself to keep myself sane, to just like completely unwind, put my phone away. Because otherwise, if I'm just like on my phone, I don't think that's the healthiest way for me to unwind and relax. And yes, I can read my book. I love reading my book, but I try to save that for the evening because that really sets up a good sleeping pattern for myself and puts me to sleep really well. And I'm currently reading A Court of Mist and Fury. But one thing that I've been really enjoying watching is Lauren Giraldo's VLOGMAS. That's been really fun. I love getting back into YouTube. Vlogging is so in. I love watching vlogs in general. So I want you guys to know, or I want you guys to comment what you want to see in this vlog, and what you also like to watch, because we can just kind of share in the chat what we like to watch. Also trying to decide what to do for the rest of the evening because I've got most of the footage edited. It's not a very long vlog, and that's okay because my day really, truly, I didn't do that many interesting things. Like I woke up, I got ready for the day, I did a workout, I cleaned up the house a lot, which is not the most interesting content I know for you guys, but it felt good for me because you know when you're living in your house feels like a mess. Living in your house and it feels like a mess is what I was trying to say. Sorry, it's late for me. And it's just so overwhelming and you just need to tackle it head on. Plus I like to wake up Saturday morning, Sunday morning on the weekends and have a clean house I can relax in. So I did that this morning and then did a workout, taught, ate lunch, went back to teaching, and now we're here. So I'm trying to decide what to do for the rest of the evening. I think I'm gonna make a tea and then probably wrap some presents and then call it a day. And probably, like I said, watch YouTube videos. I need to catch up on Lauren Geraldo's video just uploaded and some other Vlogmas creators and YouTubers that I like to watch. And I also love watching The Empress. It's such a good show. What shows are you guys watching? Let me know. I love The Empress. It's really, really good. I actually went to the museum that has all of Cece's stuff in it, and I learned a lot about it when I was in Vienna. So yeah. Anyways, I'll catch you guys later. I'll take you around with me in the night, regardless of what I do. I should make dinner, although. I think I'll do that next.